Gary V! I love it!
Ice!
Gary!
Grabe, no?
Grabe.
I remember when Ice was many years ago, when she was this small, and we did a movie called Papa's Girl.
Yes.
And parang, hindi ko akalain na you will become who you are today. Ice Seguera. And you know that title, Being Ice, it's not easy being somebody who's often looked at as somebody good, but many times people fail to see that he is really someone who is great. A songwriter, a singer. Ikaw rin yung director nito, di ba?
Oh.
This is also your concept, right?
Well, it's Liza's concept.
Oh, Liza. And Liza, I have to say, ang ganda ng role mo kanina in that video. Talagang napaiyak talaga ako sa kakatawa. But it's just so good to see you doing what you do, Ice, and seeing you enjoying what you're doing. And I know you've gone through a lot. But you know what? Sometimes the most difficult of events in our life bring out the very best in us, and you're seeing the very best of Ice right now. At least sa season na to, sa buhay mo.
Actually, ang sarap dito, Gary, kasi
Okay.
ang sarap maging idolo ka. Kasi I think if there's one artist na masasabi ko who never failed to reinvent himself, it's you. You're that. You're a songwriter, you're an arranger, you're an amazing artist. And siguro, sana yung career ko tumagal lang kagaya mo.
Oh, I think so. I think so. There's no other way. There's no other way to go for you, but except to keep going and growing. In a certain way.
Okay,
in a certain
sabihin
way.
ko po sana, pasensya na po, pero yung part na yun wala na.
Hindi, meron pa yan with regard to talent. You know what his biggest talent is? It's being an amazing person. That's bottom line. Bottom line.
Thank you.
Bakit parang medyo kinakabahan ka?
Medyo kinakabahan talaga ako kasi,
Okay.
hindi kasi kahit paano nakakakanta tayo together.
Yes.
Pero naalala ko, kung di ako nagkakamali, ang huling time na nagsayaw tayo, fetus pa lang ako. So, para lang, for keepsake, baka pwede natin ulitin. Yes! Okay lang ba yun?
Ewan ko lang sa inyo. Would you want to see Ice? First and wait, I just have to say ito po yung request niya.
Request ko po to.
Siyempre, tinanong ko, anong gusto mong gawin ko? Dapat, Tito, dapat gumawa ka ng isang spot number, tapos yung isa, pwede ba tayong humataw ng konti?
Makapala mukha ako, Tito Gary.
Hindi naman! No! Come on, you wanna do this?
Yes, let's do this!
Are the guests going to join us tonight? Can the guests?
Guests?
Really?
Pwede ba? Hindi pa ba kayo lasing? Kaya ba? Alright.
Game?
Let's do this!
You have to participate.